Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Android. It's pretty simple. So whether you're using a Samsung, Pixel, Xiaomi, or OnePlus phone, this guide will help you turn a dark mode in seconds. Now, what is dark mode? Dark mode gives your phone a sleek, blacked out look that's easier on the eyes. I'm currently using a OnePlus Android device that is Nokia 2.4, and I'm on strictly dark mode. So especially at night, it's usually very cool. Plus, it can save battery on your OLED screens, which is cool. Now for Samsung Galaxy devices, just open the settings app, then tap display. At the top, choose dark under appearance and tap dark mode settings to schedule it for sunset to sunrise or set a custom time range, and boom, Samsung One UI gives you control to switch manually or schedule dark mode automatically. Now for OnePlus devices like my device, just go to settings, and once you go to settings, you're going to see a couple of options here. Just head over to display. Now once you head over to display and brightness, just go ahead and scroll down. You're going to find under appearance dark theme. So toggle it on. If you toggle it off, this is how my screen will be. Bright, and I don't like bright. So toggle it on and you see that it has been set to dark, like dark mode. Cool stuff. And that is about that. So for Xiaomi devices, MIUI/HabaOS, just open the settings, tap display, tap dark mode, toggle it on. You can also set it to turn on automatically and adjust individual app behavior in more dark mode options. So with MIUI, you even get per app control, so you decide which apps go dark. So these are shortcut to enable from quick settings for all devices. Just swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick settings panel from the home screen. It's going to work for you. Just swipe from the top of the screen to open the quick settings panel. Then look for dark mode. All right, so like mine is night light, so for some you're just going to find dark mode. Just go ahead and click on dark mode or dark theme and just enable it there. So just tap it to enable or disable dark mode instantly. And that's pretty much how it works. I can just go ahead and click on settings here to find more settings. That's how you enable dark mode. So go over this tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and of course once you're done you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.